Amazon sellers are struggling with that. They manually download reports, they juggle between Excel, and they guess what to bid. What if you could automate all of it and give them an optimized plan that will directly get delivered inside their inbox every single morning? This workflow will save them hundreds of hours every week, and you can charge them any number of amount based on how big their Amazon business is. Optimization using AI. I've built this in N8N. This is a free no-code workflow tool, and this is exactly what it starts with a manual trigger. So imagine you're baking a cake. This node is like hitting the start button on your oven. The reason it is here is it avoids hard coding emails detail in the later steps. It lets you change the recipient subject in one place instead of editing multiple nodes. This will pass the email to the final email optimization nodes, which we'll see later. The next node is list files. This will list all the files inside a Google Drive folder. So how it works is on the Amazon seller can directly link their Amazon console to Google Drive, and all their reports will get saved inside Google Drive. What we'll do is we'll use those reports and we'll extract the data from it, which this list files is going to do. It's basically a centralized storage. It will take all the Amazon ad reports which are saved here automatically, and then it will pick the files one by one. The criteria is going to be folder ID, and once it gets the report, it's going to send it to the next node, which is get file node. This will basically download the files from the list which our list files node has given. Now, the reason we need this is because the file name tells the workflow what type of report it is, whether it's a search term report or it's a campaign report. This node will pass the file name to the SXLSX node. The purpose of this is it routes file to either Excel or CSV extraction. So if the Excel file is ending with XLXX, send it to the extract XLXX data. And if it ends with CSV, it will extract CSV data. The reason we need extract XLSS or extract CSV data nodes is because this is all unstructured data, raw Excel sheets, right? Which it's really hard to extract or which is really hard to analyze directly. This basically stores the data in a past content way and then sends that data to past file name or past CSV file name nodes. It's going to label each data set. For example, it might be search term, it might be campaign. It's going to do it automatically for the Amazon seller. The reason we need the format data node is because we don't want the AI to mix up a search term report with a campaign report. It will be a mess. That's the reason we need it. Now, this will label the data for the AI to analyze easily, and then it will go to the Crock chat model. We can use any other chat model. You can use OpenAI, you can use DeepSeek. There are a lot other AI models that you can use here. We'll connect our Crock model with this. Now this will send a structured data to Crock, and it will ask what bit changes, keywords, and budget should I adjust. This will help the user understand data from the AI perspective. AI is going to analyze it thoroughly. It's going to see what's going on inside the report and how it can help the user make the best decision, because me being a user might miss something, but AI will not. Now, once the data is analyzed, it's going to feed the data inside AI analyze node. The purpose of this is it feeds instruction plus it sends data from Grok and optimize plans. The prompt you can see generate bid strategy, targeting, and budget recommendation. Output strict JSON with campaign adjustments, keywords, and targets. The reason we need it is because it's giving a clear instruction. For example, add keyword X, add Y dollar. Now, once this analyzes and makes the data that we wanted, it's going to send it to the email optimization node. The reason we need it is now the user, the Amazon seller, don't need to log in inside N8N and check or download the reports. They'll directly receive it inside their email. So you can sell them this whole data very easily because they're not getting involved at all. It is directly analyzing data from the reports saved inside their Google Drive. If you're not sure how to link Amazon Ad Console with the Google Drive, let me know. I'll create the next video also on it. But all the data is saved in that Google Drive. Now, the Amazon seller does not have to do anything. They're directly getting the reports, a super analyzed report directly inside their email, which will give them the suggestions by our AI model, which is like reduce bids by 20%, increase budget by 30%, what are the new keywords, and etc. Now imagine if you're selling this to a bigger Amazon seller, you can charge them easily between $2,000 to $3,000 for this one automation, and you can add more data or more insights in this as per the Amazon seller's requirement. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, subscribe to this channel, and this whole workflow will be in my Gumroad link below. Make sure you do check it out if you want to download it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment them in the box below. Thank you.